Is there a gluten-free substitute for cornstarch?
Hello everyone. Today we'll be tackling a common issue for those following a gluten-free diet, finding a substitute for cornstarch. Cornstarch is naturally gluten-free, but it might not be the best fit for everyone, perhaps due to allergies or dietary preferences. So let's explore some alternatives that can deliver similar thickening results in your recipes.
What is the role of cornstarch in recipes?
Cornstarch is often used as a thickening agent in cooking and baking. It helps thicken sauces, gravies, soups, and stews, and is also used in baking for providing structure and a tender texture. However, if you can't use cornstarch, don't worry, there are plenty of gluten-free alternatives out there.
What are some gluten-free substitutes for cornstarch?
The first one on our list is arrowroot powder. This starch is extracted from the roots of the arrowroot plant and is an excellent substitute for cornstarch. It creates a clear, glossy sauce without changing the original color, making it perfect for pie fillings or clear sauces. Another great alternative is tapioca starch. This is another gluten-free starch that's a fantastic thickener. It's derived from the cassava root and can be used in a variety of recipes. However, it's worth noting that tapioca starch can develop a slightly chewy texture, which might not be ideal in all recipes. Potato starch is another substitute, which is naturally gluten-free. Like cornstarch, it has a neutral taste, so it won't interfere with the flavor of your dishes. Lastly, we have rice flour. While not a starch, it's still a good thickening agent, particularly in recipes that need a more subtle thickening, like soups or sauces.
How to use these substitutes?
Most of these substitutes can be used in a 1-to-1 ratio with cornstarch, but always start with less and add more if needed. Remember, you can always add more, but you can't take it away. Also, it's important to note that all these substitutes should be mixed with a small amount of cold liquid before being added to your hot dish to prevent clumping. And there you have it, a few excellent gluten-free alternatives to cornstarch. Whether it's arrowroot powder, tapioca starch, potato starch, or rice flour, you've got options to keep your dishes gluten-free and perfectly thickened. Remember, it might take a bit of trial and error to get the perfect consistency with a new ingredient, but that's all part of the fun of cooking. Happy cooking, everyone!